Strange. I saw it with my own eyes.
Yes, I believe you. Of course, can you tell us more details?
Last Friday night, on my way home from the pub, he was struggling, so I thought he was drunk.
And you the ones who's drunk? How many drinks did you have?
Just listen, okay? That woman came up to me, and his eyes, his nose, his skin. It was like his whole face was looking. He was like a pigman, like a watching corpse. It wasn't about this world. I couldn't sleep that night.
Stay strong. Don't give in to fear.
When you raise up in fear, make it peace.
No, that can't be. No way. No, no. What's up here?